So do any of you out there own an Amazon Echo? Specifically the Echo Generation 2? Well, I do. There's actually one right here. And today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Mission Amazon Echo battery shell. And we're going to start right now. Welcome to the video, guys. If you're new to this channel, subscribe down below. We're going to grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers before you know it. So make sure you don't miss out to be the original 1,000. But either way, getting into this video, we have the Mission battery shell for Amazon Echo here, sent to me by the Mission battery shell company. They did send me this product to review, so I will be reviewing it completely unbiased, no strings attached, and I'll give you guys my actual true opinion on this product. Alright, so first off, what is this? Pretty much this product is here designed so that you can take your Amazon Echo and make it a portable device. So this thing is compatible with the second generation Echo only. So if you have any of the other Echoes, unfortunately it will not work with that. And the way it works really is that it's a three-step process like they outline here on the box. So the first thing is that you replace your existing battery shell that comes with the Echo with the battery shell that's included in here. The next is you just connect up your Echo to the battery shell so that it can charge up and provide that battery usage that you want. And the third, of course, is you unplug that power source and you can now use your Echo portably. So this does offer an 8-hour battery life, which is pretty impressive in my opinion, and it's pretty much what you need for any sort of outdoor trip. 8 hours is more than enough for some high quality music from your Echo. So this is a great product that this company is offering. So now what I'm going to do is actually unbox this and take a look at what's inside. So the first thing is they give you this card here that says, "Thank you for purchasing the battery shell for Amazon Echo," instructions inside. So it's an instruction manual, again outlines how to connect things up and how to use it. We also have a connector here. I'm not quite sure how to use it yet. We'll find out in a second. And we also have in here the packaging. So it comes packaged with a bit of protection there. And here's the actual shell. So as you can see, it's a pretty nice frost white color. Nice material, plastic, pretty sturdy though, and it has a nice rubberized grip at the bottom. Actually, I really like this rubberized grip. So this is my first time looking at this product too. I just opened the product for the first time. So you're getting my first impressions, my unboxing, and the review all in one. On the back here you can see that we have an input and output and an on button. Oh, this actually shows me the, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but let's see. It shows me the battery status here. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, so let's take apart my Echo right now and install this Mission battery cell on here to see how it works. So here's my Echo. Let's see how this is gonna work. There's a button at the bottom of the Echo that you press, and oh, whoops. So before you do that, actually, unplug this, unplug the Echo. Now you press down here and, wow, I did not even know that you could do this on the Echo. So here's the shell that comes with it, the basic shell, and here's the actual Echo. Huh, cool, I've never actually looked at it before. Now what they say to do is to take this and put it in here. So I guess make sure you line up the back with the back of this so that you can still see the ports. Like that. There. So here I've lined it up. You can see that there's an input port that focuses right there for your power. So I did drop my power cable. Give me a second. So what I'm going to do is actually take the power that I unplugged from the original shell, plug it in here. Cool. So now you just leave it here. You can see at the top it's blue. Oh, that's just the Echo. That's just the Echo booting up. But at the bottom here you can see that there's 3 bars. The first 2 are lit up, which I guess implies that it's partially charged. Third one's still blank, so I'm guessing when it's fully charged all 3 will be lit up. But yeah, I'm really liking the quality of this. It looks really well built. It looks like a solid product. Again, I'm a huge fan of the base here with it being rubberized. It makes it so you can place it really on any surface, it's not going to slip off. And it kind of gives your Echo a really unique look. Like, for comparison, this is what the original case looked like. So of course this is bigger, but that's because it's housing the battery underneath there. So you can see it's about that much bigger, not too much bigger, but it gives your Echo kind of a unique look too. I don't think there's many Echoes around that look like this. So this is definitely going to be something that I'm sure people who come over are going to notice. I'm sure my wife's going to notice this when she gets home. Alright, so one more thing before I actually test the battery on this is that they actually indicate here to push out the battery shell. On the original Echo, you had this button at the bottom here on the original shell to press it out. Here you'll have to put a screwdriver in this hole right here to push the battery cell out. Okay, so now let's test out the actual battery. So I remember at the beginning there was this extra piece that they give here. I think this is what provides the power from the actual shell to your Echo. So what I'm going to do is plug this in right now. As you can see, one end is longer and the other end is a bit shorter. That's because one end has to go into here, the other end just sticks out and goes in here. So let's plug that in. Plug that in like that. Plug, plug. So it presses pretty firmly in place. And then I'm going to press the on button here. So I can see here that after pressing the on button, you can see that the Echo is actually booting up now. So it is providing power directly from this. You can see no cables connected. The only thing connected here is this, and you can see at the top it's booting up. So we'll give it a second to boot up, and we'll try some functions here on it just to make sure that it works just like it would if it was plugged into a power source. Alright, so now we're all booted up here. We can see that again, nothing connected. So let's do some tests here. I'll face it this way so you guys can see that there's no wire connected and everything's working the way it should. Alexa, how's the weather outside?
Currently, in Toronto it's 27 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect lots of clouds, with a high of 27 degrees and a low of 13 degrees.
Alright, so let's turn the volume up a bit here. Alright, so now I've turned it up to max volume just to see if it's just as loud as when I have the original shell on. Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do you get if you sit on a barbecue? Hot cross buns.
Haha. Alright, so yeah, the volume's really good. It's still just as good as this. Clearly you can see that there's power here. This is perfect portability. Again, love the rubberized grip down here. Provides excellent grip on pretty much any surface, and it's very solid. And overall, very impressed with this product. Another thing I really want to add to this is that after you've got it connected up like this, you can see that you still have another input source right here for your input. The bottom here, right there for your input. So you can still plug in your regular power source and still use Alexa the way you want to. And then when you need to take it out for portability, just unplug that power and use the battery in this. So great design, really a genius idea from this company. And I really do appreciate them sending me this for review. I love the two-tone look now because the top of it's black and the rest of it's kind of white, with the base being a little bit of gray and a little bit of gray on the back. And it was actually very easy to get set up and running with this product. So if you're out in the market looking for a battery packed Echo, this is the perfect option in my opinion. Honestly, I didn't even know that a market for this existed. The more I think about it, this product actually provides a lot of value. So I know that Bluetooth speakers are very popular these days, and if you purchase one of these things, you don't really need to purchase another Bluetooth speaker because you can just use your Echo as your speaker. Now the drawback, of course, that I can think of is when you do travel with this, say you're camping out in the woods, you would find that there's no Wi-Fi typically out there, so you'd have to hotspot off of your phone, which means that you have to configure this to connect to your phone, because typically when you're at home, you connect to your home network and it's configured that way. So you might have a couple issues initially there for that, but if you're just using it for music and all that kind of stuff, I think that's pretty straightforward. But if you want every single feature that the Echo does offer, things like your local weather, things like all that stuff, you will definitely need to spend some time resetting it up to the new Wi-Fi network. But again, that's not really a drawback of the product, that's more of a drawback of the Echo and the way that it's configured. But either way guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. I really do like this product. Again, the company is Mission Battery Shell for Amazon Echo. Great company, really appreciate them sending me this product out here to review for you guys. And of course, this was the first ever video on this brand new tech channel, so make sure to subscribe down below if you enjoyed it. And I'll leave links down in the description if you want to purchase this. Again, it's a great deal. If you're looking for a portable option for your Echo, this is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button down below. Drop a big like on this video. Either way, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.